Alright, I'm at Salt Pond Road, Jefferson National Forest. This is right down the road from my house. Just got the new tires put on, Pirelli MT21 up front and Dunlop D606 in the rear. So yeah, we're gonna see how this baby does. And this trail is supposed to be pretty cool. So it's a fun little ride. We shall see. So far they got some little rocks and bumps. These tires are doing fine. No slippage, no spinach yet. Yeah, it's soaking up these bumps so much better. Little rockage. Little rock and roll. Yeah, the Himalayan just chugs along. It doesn't matter. It doesn't care what you throw at it. Like, yeah, if you ride like me, kind of slow, and ride more like a Jeep, like a, you know, just kind of slow and rock crawling-ish. I mean, obviously not rock crawling in the bike, but, you know, just going slow so you can sightsee and not ripping it like the crazy dirt bike guys. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, that's just not how I ride. I like to go slow and mellow, and this little bike just chugs along, pulls you up anything. It's handling the gravel awesome with these new tires. Totally worth it. Like, I don't even mind if I, you know, wear through, especially rear tires, faster. But I've tried a lot of tires over the years. I mean, I haven't done a whole lot of crazy off-roading with them, but the stuff that I have done, the Dunlops D606s seem to be pretty awesome. I just didn't like the front tire because it had like a whine, and like highway, or even, you know, going over 45, there's like a high-pitched whine, unless you tilted it one side or the other. But if you're going straight up or down, there's always like a whine that hurt my ears if I wasn't wearing earplugs. So that's why I tried the Pirelli up front this time, because I've heard a lot of people over the years run this combination. So far I'm digging it. I mean, this is only a couple miles into a trail probably, but still feels good, feels fine on the street. Obviously you don't want to hit some tight curves just as fast as you can with the stock tires. Wait, is this a split? Looks like a little trail still. Should have brought bug spray. Whoa! That log caught my rear tire. Alright, hold up. Got a bug in my mask. Get off. Alright, we got a little problem. My brake lever is bent. Check this out. The brake lever is bent on that guy. I'm just going to try to use this as like a wedge. There we go. So I'm guessing it's bent. There we go. That's out of the way. See, I hit that log right there. breath. I'm seriously just chugging up in first gear. I'm still new to this type of off-roading, definitely. And I reach, oh. What? There's a sign. So I'm on the Appalachian Trail right now. I know you're not supposed to ride motorcycles on that. What does it say? Let's see what the sign says. Let's see. You just got punked. I don't get it. Alright, well that wasn't too bad for the first bindage. I figured that would be easier to go over than go around at that point. Whoa! Hold on. Whoa. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it. That guy was stuck on my panniers. Now I can't get up enough speed. There we go. Alright. So maybe I will try to get around here. Just go for a little bit. I'm gonna creep though because I don't want to bang the panniers. Pretty rocky through here. I feel like there's something stuck on my front tire, like in the fender or something. I'm gonna stop soon and check it. Yeah, let me stop. Well, it's still shady right here. Ugh. I'm sweating like crazy. Yep, I can see it already. Check it, this guy. Alright. Make sure there's nothing else. It's stuck. There's a big scratch from that tree branch. You got wedged up there. That view. That's pretty cool. So this is supposed to come out all the way up at the parkway. And he said I do have to bypass the gate at the parkway, even when the trail's open. Definitely breaking the tires there. And the bike apparently. I just don't like the big loose rocks. You can get on top of them and kind of slide off over sometimes. Whoa. That has some slippage. I just slid down into a rut. Ooh, hello. So it makes you wonder why they close these roads. I mean, they're national forests. Technically, it should be ours. People. What's the point of a national forest if you can't go in it? Foot traffic only. Well, I'm on my feet. Here we go, some mud. Oh, not bad. What the? Oh, it's probably part of the avalanche trail. Look, I had steps. That's weird. I'm gonna slow down here because I can't see what's under the tall grass. Like all those rocks just now I hit. I couldn't really see them. See, that side's muddy under those leaves. So you see the leaves and you think, oh, it's just leaves. But then it's like, just kidding. We're just leaves covering up mud that's never going to dry because the leaves are blocking the sun. I don't want to stop somewhere super grassy either. Hello. I'm going to get out this way. So they're probably... Look, the trail keeps going. I think I'm gonna take a break right here. Alright, that was kind of fun. So I guess we're on the, Blue Ridge Parkway. But this trail keeps going. So I shall keep going. But so far I'm pretty happy with the tires. Pretty happy.